We know what you're feeling right now. It's no fun when your luxury car is in an accident. But making an informed decision about repairing your vehicle today can ensure you'll feel better about driving it down the road. We want to introduce you to another phrase that begins with O. Okay, that's a mouthful, but it's easy to understand. Original equipment manufacturer parts simply means the repair parts are the original parts made by your vehicle's brand. We'll call it OEM for short. At Park Place, we strongly recommend using OEM parts instead of cheaper aftermarket parts. Your vehicle is an engineering marvel consisting of thousands of individual parts working together to deliver peak performance and safety. When you substitute inferior aftermarket parts, tests have shown that it can slow the reaction of your vehicle's safety features. And that additional reaction time could be the difference between safely avoiding an accident and having a. We believe it's not worth putting you and your family's safety at risk. And with a 1-year warranty you don't get with aftermarket parts, OEM parts can end up saving you money in the future. And our highly trained factory-certified technicians have the experience and technology to install OEM parts, so your luxury car can perform at its best and safest. So while we can't prevent you from needing repairs or running into danger on the road, we can make sure you're better equipped to avoid it. Turning your into and always making Park Place feel like your place.